If you are living and working in the United States on an H-1B visa, you may have wondered at least once whether buying a home is even possible in the US or not. Well, after all, you're not a permanent resident or a US citizen. So, can H-1B visa holders legally buy a house in America? The answer is simple yes. There is no US law that prevents H-1B visa holders from purchasing a residential property. In fact, thousands of foreign professionals, including many Indian workers in the tech, healthcare, and engineering, buy home while living in the US on an H-1B visa. But owning a home and getting a mortgage are two different things. Most H-1B visa holders do not pay the full price in cash. Instead, they apply for a home loan, also known as the mortgage. Now, many American banks and lenders are willing to offer this to the H-1B visa holders, provided that they meet the certain conditions. The first requirement is a stable source of income. Since H-1B visa is an employment-based visa, lenders usually want proof that you have a steady job and sufficient income to repay the loan. A good credit card score is also playing a major role. If your bills are strong, credit cards, loans, bills, you pay all of it on time, this improves significantly. Another important factor is the down payment. While some lenders may offer you a low down payment option, many H-1B visa buyers choose to pay between 10 to 20% of the home's value upfront. The exact amount depends on the lender and your financial profile and a type of loan that you are applying for. However, buyers should also remember that the cost of owning a home goes beyond the purchasing price. Property taxes, homeowner insurance, maintenance cost, and monthly mortgage are the payments that need to be fully comfortable in your budget. Now, there is another question many H-1B visa holders ask often. What happens if my visa expires or I lose my job? Buying a home does not automatically affect your immigration status. You continue to own the property even after your visa situation changes. However, losing your job could affect your ability to continue making the mortgage payments. And that's where the financial experts often recommend having an emergency saving and a fund before purchasing a home. Another common concern is whether buying a property improves your chances of getting a green card or not. Now, the answer is no. Purchasing a real estate does not provide an immigration benefit or speed up the green card process. However, the home ownership and immigration are treated as completely separate matters under the US law for many Indians. Especially the Indian professionals buying a house in a major financial milestone, but making it a decision, it is important to understand that your budget, compare of the mortgage, options, and all of it reviews on long-term career plans and seeking professional financial advice if needed. So, can Indian H-1B visa holders buy a house in US? Absolutely. The real question isn't where you can buy one or not. It is whether you're financially ready to own one or not. How did you like this info? Make sure to comment down below.